Welcome back, guys, to Apex Investor. Today was a very good day for a lot of stocks. Almost every stock was up. You can see my portfolio here. I'm somewhat down on a lot of my positions, and this is just a point can make you or break you. And in my case right now, my entry point is not so good with Lee Auto. With the grocery outlet, could have been better there. GoPro, yeah, that could have been way better. I bought on the high end there. This one as well, Broadcom. Can't wait to drop that one. Serve, this one was it's not too bad of an entry point. And then this one, Rich Tech, could have been a better entry point as well. It was at 50 cents, below 50 cents. QuantumScape, this was a great entry point. Almost can't go wrong with that one. This one, this is a decent entry point. I was looking at $23, but I thought, you know what? With everything going on, it may not. There may not be a $23 entry point. This might be the best that I can get it at 23.50 to 24. So I went ahead and bought some at $24. Averaged down a little bit. I think my initial cost was $26 or 28. I can't remember right now, but I'm averaging at 24.68 per share. Disney, I'd say that is a decent entry point where I bought there. But all in all, it's been a good day for stocks. As you can see, Rich Tech was up 24% and was as high as, I want to say 63 or 64 cents. So it was up significant amounts today. And it looked like it was going to break resistance finally today, but it'll have another chance to do that tomorrow, the last day of the trading week. So let's just take a look at the day's range. I believe it was 63.9 or 64 thereabouts. Yeah, 64.94. That was the highest that it sold, and it opened 48 cents. So yeah, that would have been a great buy for anybody wanting to jump the bandwagon right at the opening. 48 cents, and then it goes up to 61, 64 cents. You're going to make a killing. Well, not a killing, but you'll make a significant chunk just in one day. But really what this video is about, it's not so much, the great stock market recovery we had just today. I know it might be just short-lived or temporary, but I discovered a new stock, one of the most stable stocks I've ever seen in my life. And it's Kraft Heinz, of all companies. It's one of the most enduring brands in food products. Let's look at this chart. It's important. So 52-week range, 30 to 38.9. This is a very stable stock. This might be the most stable stock I've ever seen in my life. Not that it's flatlined, but there's a very clearly defined support and resistance. Let's just look at the 6 month initially. So 31 to 38. Now if you zoom out, the 1 year, it's still 30, between 30 to 40. 5 year, same deal, same story. Even when we look at the COVID scare, 22 is the lowest. So that's how you know it's a market crash, when this dips below $30. Heinz, Kraft Heinz. So when that dips below to 22, that's how you know we're in a stock market crash, because this is like a canary in the coal mine kind of stock. Gives you a sort of a feeler of how the rest of the market is doing. Just look at the beta, 0.52. So yeah, it's not a negative beta. It moves with the market, but it is very stable. A very stable stock. Again, let's look at this 5-year chart just one more time. So 22, if you can get in at 23, and just you could basically buy and flip this between 30 to 40 consistently, no matter what is happening, except in the event of a stock market crash. maximum chart. Let's look at that. So again, 5 years from 2019 to present day. Let's see how far back this goes. It goes up to July of 2015. And this was up $93. It only recently, not recently, but it went down from the 90s down to 60, 70 in 2018. And then 2019, it really tanked. So we can see a steady decline in the last, from 2015 to 2019. But in the last 5 years, it's been one of the most stable stocks I've ever seen in my life. And this is a trusted name. You almost can't go wrong with Heinz Kraft. They're going to be around seemingly forever as long as there's food that is being processed in factories. Kraft Dinner, Heinz Ketchup, and so on. Those are the two most enduring products. Ketchup, and think of Kraft Dinner or macaroni and cheese. All the products that Heinz makes and Kraft makes respectively. Peanut butter, just think Kraft is in all these different food products, and so are Heinz, kind of more subtly. So I think that's all I want to present to you in this video, just how strong the stock is, and that's why I added it to my list. It's a very good stock, and it's almost foolproof, except in the event of a stock market crash. So this is a very healthy stock, and if I had my own Berkshire Hathaway, this would be one of the stocks in my portfolio for that company. It would be one of Heinz Kraft, or Kraft Heinz rather, and the ticker symbol is KHC. So $29 to $40 as long as the market is healthy, but we'll see what happens post-election in the US. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time once again, and we'll check you out. Check back with us tomorrow. We'll hopefully have a video tomorrow afternoon, evening. If not, then we'll do one in the weekend, pending if I can fit that in my schedule. So thanks for your time, and until next time, God bless you all, and God bless your investments.